Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Zoho Sprints for Agile reporting step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho Sprints website. Log into your Zoho Sprints account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the project you want to work on and click on it. In the project dashboard, find the Setup option on the left sidebar. Click on Setup to access the settings for your project. In the Setup page, choose Reports from the options provided. You will see various reporting options available. Select Agile Reporting to begin configuring your reports. Click on the Add New Report button to create a custom report. Choose the type of report you want, such as sprint burndown or velocity chart. Fill in the details required for the report, like report name and description. Specify the timeline for the report by selecting the sprint duration. Set the parameters based on metrics you wish to track. Adjust the filters to include specific teams or user stories if needed. Once all options are set, click on Create to generate your report. After creating the report, you can view it on the report's dashboard. Use the available tools to analyze the data presented in the report. You can also export the report in various formats if required. For ongoing tracking, set up automatic updates in the report settings. Regularly review the reports to ensure your Agile processes are on track. Explore other reporting features within Zoho Sprints to enhance your project management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.